So today I will show you how to do question number 3 of exercise 1.2. So the question number 3a, 8 by minus 15 minus 3 by 10 minus 13 by 20 and 17 by 30. So this is quite simple. First of all, what we have to do? We will take the LCM of all the denominators, ignoring the negative sign. Here it is minus 15, here it is minus 15, just ignore this. You take the LCM of these numbers. LCM of 15, 10, 20 and 30 is equal to 60. It is 60. My first aim is to make the denominators of all these fractions or all these rational numbers 60. So what I do first? First I take 8 by minus 15. Remember one thing, you have to remove this. The denominator should always be represented in the positive way. So here what I do, my aim is to make the denominator 60. An equivalent rational number of this whose denominator is 60. So for that what I do, again I write the same number. I multiply the numerator. I should find out a number. When multiplied by minus 15, it should be 60. So what I do here 15 fours are, I take here minus 4. I take here minus 4. So that this negative sign gets omitted, because I need to get only 60 as the denominator. So what I get here, this into this it becomes 60. This into this it becomes 8 fours are 32. I take the next number, minus 3 by 10. The same process I follow. 3 by 10 I write. 10 into what number? Which number will be equal to 60? It is obviously 6. 10 6 are 60. Here also I multiply by 6. What I get? Minus 18 by 60. Now minus 13 by 20. This also I do it similarly. I write it 13 by 20. 20 into 3 is 30. Again 3 here, it becomes minus 39 by 60. Now I take the last number, 17 by 20. 17 by or minus 30, sorry. Minus 30. As this is a negative, I multiply with another negative number. Minus 2. 17 into minus 2. This becomes 60. This becomes minus into plus minus 34. Now I see. Ascending means from smaller to greater. Now I compare all the numerators here. Here it is 32. Here it is minus 18, minus 39, minus 34. Now which one is the smallest here? The farthest from 0, that is the smallest. Here minus 39 is the farthest from 0. Is the number which is left to all this. It is farthest from 0. मतलब 0 से सबसे दूर minus 39 होगा. So this one is the smallest number. You just mark it here 1. First of all you have to write this number. After this, leave this. Minus 32, minus 18, minus 34. The smallest is here, this one, minus 34. Next 2. Now leave this 2. From this to this one is the smallest. This one will become 3. This one is the greatest. So now I write, as it is in ascending order, I write The smallest one is this one. This one means minus 39 is an equivalent fraction of minus 13 by 20. This one is the smallest. 13 by 20. Then next I write 17 by minus 30. Next I write number 3, 8 by 15, 8 by minus 15. Number 4, it is minus 3 by 10. R in ascending order. R in ascending, ascending, ascending order. I hope this one is clear to all of you. The descending is also the same thing. The same process you have to follow in the descending. If you have to arrange this in descending, you have to follow the same process. Everything is same, only there is a slight difference. Here you will write, as it is descending, the greatest one in the topmost. It will be just the reverse of this, reverse of this. Let me show you. To write this in the descending order, you have to find out the greatest one. Here the greatest number, the largest number is, the greatest number is this one. This one is this is nearest, minus 18 is nearest to 0. So this will be 1. Leave this. Now the nearest to 0 will be this, number 2. Then leave this 2, nearest to 0 will be this. And the farthest from 0 it will be this. So you will write all these numbers according to this serial. First this one is the greatest, then after that you will write this, then after that you will write this, and after it is just the reverse of this. It is just the reverse of this one. Minus 3, first you will write minus 3 by 10, then 8 by minus 15, 17 by minus 30 and minus 13 by 20 are in descending order. I hope ascending and descending order is clear to all of you. Now, let me show you how to do question number 5. You can copy it. Now let me go to question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. This one is also the same process. Here you can follow the previous process. The previous process of making the denominator equal. Same as the previous one. Same as question number 3 and 4. Suppose the first one, 5, 1. It is given. Minus 2 by 13. Minus 2 by 13, and this one is the box given here. 3 by minus 7. 3 by minus 7. So what you do? The easiest, if we have to compare between two numbers, the shortest method by which you can do is simply, first of all, what you do, you take it in standard form. You just assume this negative to be on the top, this negative number to be on the top. So what I do here, minus 2 into 7, minus 2 into 7 I do, it is minus 14. Again 13, this one I assumed this to be on the top. 13 into minus 3, it becomes minus 39. So here you see that this one is greater than this. This one is nearer to 0, so this one is greater than this. So the first rational number will be greater. This will, since minus 14 is greater than minus 39, therefore this one minus 2 by 13 is greater than this. I hope this one is clear to all of you. So this is for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.